It's Linda again, and this is going to be my last night with this one, and I think it's going to be all right. It got to me a little bit, but I think I'm going to get it just fine. When we did the chat, what's funny is we talked about how it's hard to predict the weather here, and the next predicted storm or rain is for Thursday. This is Monday, and we've been having a thunderstorm. My husband, well, Joe, he went out, he thought he was going to mow before the next one came through, and he made one swath or one thing, and he got really wet between there and the house. So it must come down really hard, really fast. But they talk flood warnings. I think they're meaning more like flash flood, flood in the streets and stuff. Because our rivers, even though we've had more rain early in this summer than we had, because spring was very dry, our rivers weren't really coming up that much. So we'll see what happens. We've had floods before, but I don't look for this to be a flood. So I'm gonna, now after this long welcome, I'm gonna have you watch me paint again. Okay, I want to get some leaves on the trees, but I need a different color because otherwise it just blends right in with the grass. I might blend a couple colors, but okay. I have the wind blowing this way on this tree, so I want to continue to do that. Shoot, I forgot to turn that around so I can see what I'm doing. I better do that right now. Anyway, we haven't had any sirens or anything. Just a lot of rain. And that's welcome. We need our water table up. Because if it doesn't come up, it's just going to go right back down again. I don't know if that looks like what I want it to look like. I think it does. I mean, I'm not going to do individual leaves. But what I might do is have a couple of leaves blowing away. Getting blown off there. Not much. Just a couple. Same thing with these up here. There hasn't been a whole lot of wind, I don't think, with what we're getting. It's been mostly coming straight down. Thunder, lightning. Trying to make it look like some of the grass is blowing that direction. Give that impression anyway. Okay. Here maybe. I'm not going to mess with that. What do you think? Have I got it or have I not got it? I'll hold it up in a minute. It's very stormy. There it is. I hope you can see from there what I've done with it. There just comes a time when it's time to stop before things get overdone. And with this one, I think we've come to that point. Except I do still need to do some stuff on the edges here so that if they want to hang it without a frame. Personally, I don't hang these without with a frame, these kind. But some people may want to, so just depends. Anyway, that's so. But I think it's got the rolling hill effect, and I'm glad I put the wind in there. Well, you don't see the wind, you just see the see what it does. And so the next one is a landscape, just a landscape. And so I don't know, I might do something completely different for that. I'll be thinking on it. I might pick up one of the easier ones to do in between, just to give me time to think on, to give my brain enough time to decide what I want to do on the next landscape. So, but I do have things that I would like to do, so, and some of them are in there. I think one of the easiest ones is a tree with a rope swing. That won't be hard. At least I don't think I have problems with trees too much. So I may do them a little out of order just to breathe a little. So I'm chatting, and I love all of you. Got a smack in there tonight. Smile and wave, there's yours. Please go out and share that, unless you're in the thunderstorm, don't. But we will see you again tomorrow, and we'll do something. Don't know yet. What? Maybe a tree with a swing. I don't know. But we will be back. And I hope you like the outcome of this. Thank you, and good night.